I'm so glad you're mine, princess, my angel, my queen. Baby, you're my friend.
Hey guys. Supposed to be like, hey guys.
Hey guys.
There you are. Come on. Happy New Year. It's like the middle of
New Year.
Right. I know it's like the middle of January. This is the first vlog of the new year. And today is January 9th. Oh, wow. Okay. So, today is National Vision Board Day.
Okay.
So we're gonna go and get some magazines and create our vision boards. I asked Eddie if he wanted to do it. He's a hater. He said no. He don't have vision. You know what I'm saying? But anywho,
Yes,
Did I ask you to stay in the third floor?
such a daddy's girl. Like
I am not a daddy's
she's
girl.
such a daddy's
No,
girl.
I'm not. I'm a mommy's and daddy's girl.
When she was younger, y'all, it was all about mommy.
Oh
all
my
about mommy. All
Don't
about
start
mommy.
this again.
Now,
Not in
it's
front of the
like,
camera.
but what daddy be doing, it's like he can do no wrong. Even though, you know, I went through all the labor. Okay, so here's the thing. When it comes to me enjoying myself in the Lord, when it comes to stuff like that, when it comes to playfully speaking gibberish, we all know that it's not for real tongues. Super saved saints that be having a problem with a little humor. I don't know what God you serve, okay, because the God I serve is a humorous God, I got to turn the water into wine, Anyway, in all seriousness, I'm not being disrespectful. I'm not going to disrespect the God that I serve.
All right. That's crazy. That's
So I just want to put that out there because people have left comments over the years, you know, and it's like those are the ones that just don't have the spirit of laughter and joy because God is a God of humor. So anyway, we are headed to, can you guess it?
Starbucks.
Starbucks. Where we always go. I really wanted to do a water fast. I'm lying. I want to do a water fast / black coffee / green tea fast. Because I feel like I can get through that. But I failed yesterday. I didn't even attempt. It was in my mind, but I didn't execute. So I thought about doing it today. Then I said, Raina, it's a Saturday. Enjoy yourself. So then I thought about tomorrow, but then it's the Lord's Day. And that's a day of rest and enjoyment. So I feel like I should enjoy myself and not, you know, deprive myself. You see where I'm going with this? Okay. What do you want?
That bacon thing.
Okay.
The bacon egg bites, the other one.
So she's gonna have the bacon sandwich and a pink refresher.
Pinkity drinkity.
You want a pink drink? Oh, pink drink. And then I'm probably gonna get my original. I always get the egg bites. I think I'm going to get a white chocolate mocha. Come on, somebody. Come on. Yes. White chocolate mocha is so good. My supporters put me onto that, I think, on Instagram. And it changed my life. First stop is a Michael's. What do you think is best? Washable.
Nah, maybe. I'm thinking this. So we can get washable.
Get this. Yeah.
Not that messy.
So we got black vision boards. How cute. Daddy, come here.
Daddy!
Can you come here?
Please.
Can you come here? I just wanted to share what I got. That's all. Just wanted to share what I got. So we are done. All right, I'm tired. Eddie was supposed to get us some more magazines, but I'm over it. I was waiting on Camila was taking off my nails. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already seen my Luxie nails. I really love these nails. They're super sturdy. Love these. They're very sturdy. But I'm about to take them off because I want a new set. So you want to go first? We're gonna share our vision. Oh, okay. So she wants me to go first. We ain't really fine but 3 magazines, so this is what we had to work with. So this is my.
So pretty. I like this.
Thank you. This is my vision board. Again, don't mind my nails. I have 2 things I left off because it's kind of personal, but I'm gonna share this with y'all. Okay. So first we have SZA. I'm not like a huge fan, but she represents like just dopeness for me. She got this flat stomach, you know what I'm saying? That's like what I used to have back in the day. And you know, it's just like, it's not a goal to get abs, you know, but I would like to work on my stomach. Oh my goodness. So she has like the colorful nails, you know what I'm saying? She's just unique. Like her style's always been unique. She's dope. Brown skin. Okay, so then down here, this kind of represents overall kind of like what embodies, I guess, kind of like content creating. You're always with your phone. So I just like this image of her. She represents confidence. Brown skin, I love me a chocolate sister. And the pose, you know, not so much the outfit, but she represents confidence. And so this is like my reminder of being confident. This is Issa Wright. Y'all know I love me some, well, if you don't know, I love me some Issa Wright. Okay, so my goal one day is to work with her. We are both from LA. So I love Issa, and it's a dude that was sitting next to her and they were like chopping it up. So that was like me, but I cut him out. So TikTok, I've been on TikTok, but I have been slacking pretty much the whole year of 2020 as far as posting. So that is the goal, to post more on TikTok. That's where I'm able to kind of showcase my silliness, my acting, all that good stuff that I like to do on TikTok. It's just, I love TikTok. Own your natural is kind of self-explanatory. I'm just, you know, still owning my natural thing that I can find. But one of my goals is to work with Walmart, to partner with Walmart. So anybody from Walmart, you know, saying that might be corporate or whatever, that might be on a brand side, you know, just putting it out there, you know what I'm saying. Savings, I've been a big saver this year. God has been good financially, so I'm very happy about that. So savings is still my goal, because it is the goal to create generational wealth. I make sure that my daughter is set and that her children are set financially, and so savings is a big part of that. Yeah, my savings is a goal. Optimism, I can be very negative, so I'm just choosing to be optimistic in the year 2021. Mental health, okay, my goal is to get into therapy. I checked out a therapist, but I never responded back to her because I have trust issues and I was going through her stuff, and I was like, I don't know if I trust you. So I need therapy. Okay, I love Chanel. I would love a Chanel bag. However, I'm not ready to spend Chanel quaint. God has been good, but I choose to save that and to invest that, and then that will be like my goal to reward myself, is the Chanel. Sticking with it. Okay, this is the goal. I need to stick with everything. Everything on here is sticking with it, okay? Beauty. I'm trying to get more into beauty and lifestyle this year, so that's just like a reminder. This is some asparagus in a french fry thingamajig. I am trying to do better with food and eating more healthier. So then right next to it, it is my exercise bike. I don't want a bike, I just want to exercise more. So this lovely black woman, she has freckles, she has her edges, she has minimal makeup. You can see that her skin is breathing through. This is just reminding me to embrace my natural skin. I really want to get some moles removed, because I feel like, because I do wear makeup in photography, it shows up as like pimples, or just like, I just don't want as many as I have. I'm literally covered in moles and skin tags, and so I love that she has freckles and her skin just shining through. It's just beautiful. That's just that. This right here, this right here is a goal of mine. Y'all know I am petrified of dogs. I don't like them. I don't want to be around them. I don't like them. Understand that when people have fears of dogs, it is a real thing. It is not something that you can just fix overnight. I know it's hard for people that love dogs. They don't really understand or grasp the realness of being fearful of dogs, but it's a real thing. So my goal is to be this close with a dog and to own a dog and to love a dog, you know what I'm saying? So hold for applause.
Give yourselves a round of applause. You're so lovely. Everyone's so lovely. And while you're in the clapping mood,
this is just representing the fact that I don't want to do what I'm doing for anybody to applaud me for it. Like, I don't want to do it for the wrong reasons. I never want to end up doing things for the wrong reasons. I want to do it for the right reasons. I want to stick to being me, never settling. Everyone says the same thing. Some of it isn't always truthful, you know, and so I just want to always do it for the right reasons. I don't want the applause. And then this is just, I've always wanted to try chickpeas or whatever, and it look real healthy. So I want to make more meals. Like, we eat a lot of takeout, so I want to cook more in 2021. Now, I've always been a hustler, because yeah, you know, I always been a hustler. No, like, this just stands out to me to go after what I want. So yeah, this is what we have, you know, right now, because this is all we had to really work with. And then again, like I said, there's about 2 or 3 other things that I have that I left off of here that I'm gonna put on here for my own personal you know, personal reminder. But this is what I can share with y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed mine.
But mine is, this is mine.
Oh,
No. So with this big one right there, I want to like better my photography.
hey,
For this one, I want to better my dental.
want to straight teeth. I used to have straight teeth, but I didn't wear my retainer. Anyway, it's about you now.
Right here is representing art, because probably many of you know this, but I love art. I draw almost every day. And right here's food to eat more healthier. Right here is just like fashion, because I like to top. So better fashion. Here is the same thing but better skin. And here is just growing my hair, so healthier hair.
Okay.
Here is like the nails and the fashion, so just better nail care, because my nails look horrible.
Look at this. Come here, look.
Mom, you've been wearing fake nails, so that's why. I want to like play with makeup as like a hobby. Like, just do it.
Come on, Nike.
And okay, right here is another for better my photography, because I want to do like more photography than just taking a picture of my mother. Right here is Rihanna. I like her fashion sense, and she's really pretty. Right here is the cutest dog in the world, and I love dogs. And another one, better my photography. So yeah, that's my vision board.
Wow! Oh my god!
That was fun. I did this with her baby like a couple years ago. We did vision boards.
Yeah, we did it.
Like maybe a couple, yeah.
But we threw them away.
Well, yeah, we threw them away. So you did them like a couple years ago. So I know y'all ain't seen Eddie. Eddie is out and about running errands right now, picking up stuff. But right now we are going to get some food. I am on DoorDash trying to find something, because you know, I did say I was gonna cook, but we don't have nothing to cook right now. So I need to edit a sponsored video for TikTok and kind of put that together and edit some photos and then kind of plan my week. If you follow me on Instagram, I suggest that you do. We're changing up some things over there, so yeah, I gotta plan my week out, which makes life so much easier because my days have been really long, grateful but long. And then we saw some, I think it was like kicking crab or something like that we saw was like a long line, maybe like 10 minutes away from us a couple weeks ago. And so Eddie texted me and said, do I want to try that for dinner? So we're gonna have and try that. So that's exciting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You guys are having a great new year. And look at my nails, but we gonna get this together. Anywho, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You want my good side?
What?
This is my good side. Oh, I don't have a good side? Wow.
Say goodbye to the people.
To the people, goodbye.